Okay, in the PowerShell scripting laboratory, we asked you to do a research task. The research task was to look at the PowerShell script and find out what each line of the script achieves. So let's give you the solution to that then. So this is the PowerShell script itself. Now if we look at the first line, what we do here is we want to convert, we want to put a password into a variable called $password, and we want to convert that to a secure string. So the password in this case being network XX. In the second line here, we want to get some security credentials. That consists of the username and password. So we're taking the username servadmin and we're using that password that we've previously developed, we've taken from the we've put into a secure string, and we're producing that as a PowerShell script credential. Now in this line here, we're using the Windows remote management, and what we're trying to do is we want to trust all hosts, so that if we don't do this, we won't be able to run the script, because a security feature will prevent untrusted hosts from interacting with the script. Now in this line here, and in fact all of these lines here, what we're doing is we're using the invoke command, and we're invoking that on this computer with this IP address, and the command that we're going to invoke is a script block, and the script block is everything contained within these curly brackets. So we're taking a variable, we're producing a new network object called $.net here, and then we're mapping a network drive called the U drive, okay, and we're mapping that to our test share, and we have to use the username and password of an administrator account with a password, with the correct password. And in this part of the script, we're then copying from the contents of the U drive to a destination folder called C:\mydesk, which will be on a remote virtual machine. And then we have to do that using the credentials, the PowerShell script credentials that we produced with these two lines of code up here. And that's how the script actually works. That's how the script will copy the contents of a shared folder from one virtual machine to another into the C:\mytest folder on another virtual machine. That's how it works.